How to create a file upload form on WordPress, quick and easy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a file upload form on your WordPress website. So basically, a file upload form is a kind of form where your audience or the people who are coming onto your website can upload a form that you want them to upload. Okay, so basically the file upload form is basically a form where you can have your audience or the people who visit your website have some kind of form or some kind of file uploaded onto your website. So basically as you see when you go on to Mintable or any any website where you want to basically sell your art or sell your show someone your video or something, so they basically give you a form where you have to fill in some details and then you can upload your media or your file onto it and then you're good to go. So that is the kind of form that we're going to create on WordPress. So first of all, what you need to do for that is open your WordPress dashboard, and as you can see, this is a site that I have created earlier ago and it's named My Style Closet. So now I'm just going to add a plugin so that I can install a form. So I'm just going on to plugin section and I'm going to click on add new. Okay, so here I need you to search for the plugin which is named Forminator. Okay, so here you can see this is the plugin that I was looking for. It is Forminator Contact Form, Payment Form, and Custom Form Builder. So as you can see this, I'm just going to install it for myself and I'm going to add it as a plugin and I'm going to create a form using this Forminator. So as you can see, this has 300,000 plus active installations and it was updated last week. It is very important to choose something that is regularly updated. So if it has any kind of bugs, if it has any kind of problems that earlier users are facing, so it must has been removed because that's why it was updated and everything. So it's good to go with something that is regularly updated. So I'm just going to activate it and I'm just going to basically find the plugin that I just have. And okay, so you have to activate your basically plugin and then you will be able to find this plugin into the other plugins right here. So I'm just going to go on the dashboard of Forminator and show you guys how you can create a form using that. Okay, so this is basically your dashboard of Forminator, and as you can see, I have 0 forms right now and 0 polls and everything, so and quizzes. You can create all other stuff with Forminator as well. So I'm just going to create a form right now. So I'm just going to click here which says create form. So now there are some templates that I can use. There's a contact us form, quote request, registration, login, or create post form. So I'm just going to continue with a blank form and I'm going to name it test form for the sake of it, because obviously it's not an original form that I'm going to create. It's just for the tutorial purpose. So I'm just going to click on the create and I'm just waiting. Okay, so now as you can see, it has 0 fields right now because I chose something which I wanted to create from scratch. So for that purpose I need to basically insert all the fields all by myself. So I'm just going to click on insert fields right here, and here is the options of the fields that are available for you to insert. So first one is the name, and I'm just going to insert it, and the email, font, and address, and input, a text area, calculations, date picker, time picker, file upload, radio number. And as you can see, these are all the options that are available of the fields that are available for you to basically add in your form. So I'm just going to basically add these 3 and then I'm going to pick the file upload that we actually came for here, and then we are going to insert fields. So now what you can do is basically you can edit these fields one by one. As you can see, I'm just going to click on this one and I'm just going to, the labels is single and the multiple, the name, label name is basically name, and the placeholder can be anyone, say example John Doe, which is here, and here's the description which is optional. If you want to add a description you can. If you go into the second settings, you can make it a required field, which is the name is required, and if you someone does not require their name, the error message can be name is required, or you have to require a name or any error message that you want to pop up. Then pre-populate, you can pre-populate this field dynamically using query parameter passed in your form URL. Example, if you have a query parameter, then you can populate this field. If you want to add something styling, additional CSS classes, that will be you can do that, and the visibility option is here right here. So I'm just going to basically apply everything because it looks good. I'm just going to apply. Then you come on to email and you can do all these things to your email as well. The placeholder will be this one and the label is email address. You can go on to settings, styling, and visibility and choose everything. You're going to make it require as well. And if you want to make it validate as, make sure the user user has filled out this field correctly and warn them when they haven't. So if you want to validate this field, you can do that as well. In the validation message, you can type in anything as the validation is required, or you can type in here that email is required and it is necessary to reply, basically give an email address and something. The font is the same. You come here and you basically enter a description, you make settings according to your own need and everything, and you just go down and then you click on apply, and then there is a file upload form. And then in this option here is basically the two types of labels. If you want to have multiple files, you can click on this. If you have only one file upload, then you can click on this. Then you can add a description of the file that upload your file here, or you can add in any description that you want. Then you can go onto the settings and you can change the settings as required. And allowed file types, basically if you want to have some specific file types to be allowed only, then you can click on here, and as you can see, these are all the file types that are available. In the images section, GIF, PNG, BMP, ICO, PSD, these are all the types. And then documents, audio and video. If you want to basically have only documents, then you can just uncheck these all, and then you will only be able to receive these file types. Otherwise, anyone uploading something else, then these will not be able to pass through. Then you can just come down and basically archive, text, spreadsheet, interactive. These are all the file types that you have. You can just uncheck the ones that are unnecessary for you, and you can just check the ones that are basically necessary for you, and it's very easy. The next step is basically adding a file size limit, because you cannot have a file unlimited file size, because you won't be able to basically load the much heavier files people upload yourself. So you're just going to I'm going to keep my file size limit to 10 MBs, which is good and which is great to go. Then this is show files in media library. A lot of people will be uploading their files, so if you want to have them in your media library, then you can enable this option. And if you just want them as your email and in your Google inbox, Gmail inbox, then you can just click on disable this option, and you're just going to apply the changes and you are good to go. So there are other options that are available for you in the basically file upload field, as well as there is settings that is required. And then I told you this is for the styling, this is for the visibility, as show, hide, all, any, and add a rule. If you want to add a visibility rule, you can do that by yourself, and then you're just going to apply all the settings, and that is it, guys. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys understood everything completely, and I hope I was a really big help to you in understanding, imparting that knowledge about this platform completely. So I really tried to get into each and every detail and each and every aspect that I can tell you guys about the platform and about the whole topic. But if I missed something, or if there is something that you cannot understand, or that is the concept basically just I missed it, or if there's something problematic with the video, you can just comment them down. If you have any query, you can also write it down in the comment section. I will try to get back to you guys really quickly, and I will answer each and every query that you have in a really good manner, so that there is no ailment left and there is nothing untouched and unturned, so that you about the topic that you don't understand. And please give this video a big thumbs up, because your appreciation really motivates me to make new topics, to make new videos for you guys, so that you have everything, all the platforms that are digital, that are in use these days, covered and in your knowledge. And also please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications, so that every time I upload a video about anything, you can get notified about it. Please take good care of yourself. I will surely see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.